experienced that there was something perfect right in front of your eyes, but you never saw it. I had the same experience with the LG dishwasher. It happened during lockdown that we all were stuck at home and had to do all the household chores by yourself. I was freaking out about everything. I sanitized everything that was under my radar, but I was hesitant to use chemical sanitizers on my utensils. So then I came to know about the LG dishwasher and I bought it. At that time, I thought it was a forceful buy, but then I realized it is such a necessity for every household. And I'm so happy with my decision of purchasing it during the crisis.
The cool feature that actually attracted me the most is that it has this unique true steam technology that gave me sparkling clean dishes, taking absolute care of hygiene as well. Coming to the other features, it has quad wash technology by which the machine cleans the plates from every angle possible, which was a huge relief for me. Also, I didn't have to worry about the extra load because of its easy rack feature that provided extra space, while inverted red drive technology made the machine quiet, efficient and reliable. Last but definitely not the least, its LG ThinQ technology allows download the latest wash cycles, gives your machine a clean reminder, helps you maintain personalized settings, gives access to the smart diagnosis feature that makes the machine perform a diagnosis and notify for an easy solution.
All these features made me less paranoid during the pandemic. And now, when things are getting better, I still find the LG dishwasher as my best companion. I am now more productive and less worried thanks to my LG dishwasher.